Friends, Namaste, Vanakkam, Jai Shri Ram, Sat Sri Akal, and wish you all the best. Today, friends, the share for which I am going to talk to you is really performing very well for roughly about 1 month's time. And let us check on with this share which I want to talk to you today. This share is, friend, nothing but your favorite, that is Punjab and Sindh Bank. Now, Punjab and Sindh Bank actually has been a very slow mover for the last about 8 years, right? And it is because of this, this never came into limelight. This is Punjab Sindh Bank which I am going to talk. And friends, I have all the parameters here of Punjab Sindh Bank. And just to cut short the story here, otherwise we will be very long, we are just going to the main parameters whom we should analyze. Now, the main parameters that we analyze for the swing trading, friends, is the sales, net profit, and operating margin. Operating margin is more and less EBIT margin, and or EBITDA margin, for roughly you can say if you add up depreciation and amortization in it. So for the purpose of convenience, it is a bank, therefore operating margin is more than enough. Here, friends, what you have to see is the growth. See the growth percentage in sales over previous quarter. This is Q2 results, and Q1, Q2 the growth was as much as 9%. Very small growth. That means growth was not too good. Year to year growth has been recorded as 14%. So this is okay, but quarter to quarter the performance was not very good. But friends, what has happened now? See, the net profit in the second quarter of previous year, it was only 17%, and now it had taken a quantum jump, 23%. Now, in the entire analysis, two things are actually very important which contribute roughly about, say, 80% of analysis, that is the net profit margin, which I give 60% marks, and operating profit, which I give 20% marks. Net profit, you see there is a quantum jump, although in the operating profit there is not, there is hardly any jump. That means they have kept the expenses, highly controlled expenses they have kept. So friends, this is as far as the fundamental analysis is concerned for the purpose of swing trading only. We are not saying that this is a bank which is for the investment. But now let us have a technical check on it. What do you mean by technical analysis or a technical check? Friends, technical analysis means technical analysis is the language of share market. If you understand the technical analysis, in technical analysis the fundamental analysis is already there. Therefore, if you understand the language of the share market, you always win. Let me put it before you, the best ever strategy that has been suggested in the share market by any YouTuber is your coordinator Anil Sharma. I really bet on it. I have never heard anybody so strongly telling and committing and saying it is the best ever strategy and the simplest ever strategy. What is that strategy? That strategy we have already seen in our moving average videos. And friends, this strategy is nothing, we will take weekly average for, say, 6 months time or 9 months time here. This I am taking here. So this is the weekly chart, and this is the moving average of 2. Let us check if it is 2. Yes, it is the moving average of 2. This is the best strategy that secures everybody, every trader, I must say, in the share market very effectively. And now let us check with this PSB bank, here it is PSB bank, actually it gave signal somewhere around 18-19 rupees. That is the time when I purchased it, about 1000 shares, and this was on 14th of November. Today we are on 13th of December, so in exactly 1 month this share has gone 250%, more than that. Have you seen this kind of analysis anywhere? Where is the risk? Only thing is, friends, that the share is in the uptrend, number one. Secondly, see the slope of the price, which is blue, and red is the moving average. So this is the blue is the price and red is the moving average of 2. That is what I say is this is the best ever strategy suggested by anybody. I have not heard anybody telling me that you trade with a weekly on weekly charts and moving average of 2. Just try it and you will make huge money. So let's come back to our bank. Now I say the signal was given here around say 1860 or 19 rupees, and now friends, just see the fun. The fun is that you can see here time I am putting here as 8 years. Let us check in 8 years what has happened. Friends, in 8 years, see the maximum it had reached was 67 or 70 rupees. This is a line chart. So let us presume it has reached 70 rupees. Now the share is trading at present at 41 rupees. If it crosses 61 rupees, the next target is likely to be 100. This time net profit was very high, and if the net profit continues to be high, which I presume will be very high. Have you seen this say net profit increase of about 23% in a bank? Oh, huge. Then nobody can stop if it breaks 67 going beyond 100. I suggest a trader can have in the portfolio this stock, number one, and you can check with your broker. I have already taken at 19 rupees 1000 about a month back, and I am still continuing with it because there is no cross as such seen so far. Just let me put it for you here. One thing is 100% sure, if the price line crosses moving average of 2, I will quit. But at present, if you see, this is also 10:10, this is also almost parallel 10 past 10 in the wristwatch. So at present there is no worry. Now friends, let me tell you two things. That there is likely to be a Santa Claus rally from say roughly about 18th to 22nd, 23rd, 24th. And then for 1 week all Americans will go for the New Year celebration and Christmas celebration and all that. Be very careful if there is a cross, otherwise from the 5th of January market will again shoot up very well. So friends, this is the all story from me, and I will just urge all of you to check whatever stocks you have with you. Whatever stocks you have with you, check with a check on weekly chart with the moving averages whether the stock is in the uptrend or not. If in the weekly chart or daily chart if in the weekly chart, because we are talking of weekly chart, the stock is going down, I recommend you quit and buy a good stock. Now the stock actually is very cheap at present. It is 37 rupees, 33 NP or 35 NP. Anybody can buy. I have already made purchases, and today it has, I think, hit a circuit also. I will not sell it today because I normally, all these stocks, I keep 1000 with me and I trade with 1000 and I keep 1000 with me. So after UCO Bank, after Canara Bank, this is the third call which I am giving, and see where is UCO Bank today when I give you the call. So be strategically correct, know the language of share market, that is the technical analysis, and here there is hardly anything to learn. Actually you are just putting weekly chart and moving average of 2 and going along with it. So simple, so simple. Remain with it, you will earn money. Friends, all the best to you. Remain in the share market. and nothing less than a ton you must make every year. That ton means 100% every year in the share market. So have a nice day, earn in the share market, and thank you very much.